If you watch the video so far, you probably understand the concept. The natural next question is, okay, but what actually happens? Have you ever avoided moving forward with something simply because the process felt unclear? That's what I want to remove here. This isn't a one-call sale, a product pitch, a rushed decision. It's a guided process built around clarity first. What happens when people buy financial products before they truly understand them? Everything starts with education, making sure the concept makes sense. The philosophy resonates. The strategy fits how you think. No pressure, no obligation. Would it make sense to move forward with anything before you fully understand it? If it makes sense conceptually, we move into design. This is where structure matters. The design considers your income, your cash flow, your business if applicable, and your long-term goals. Why would anyone use a one-size-fits-all strategy for something this important? Implementation is the execution phase. Nothing's rushed. Everything is reviewed. You understand why it's structured the way it is, how it works, and what to expect. How different would your confidence be if you knew exactly why each decision was made? This isn't set it and forget it. Life changes, businesses change, opportunities change. Ongoing guidance ensures the system stays aligned. The capital is used intentionally, and adjustments are made when needed. What's the value of having a guide who understands the system long after it's set up? You're never locked in. You're never rushed. You're never pushed. And you're always informed. How often do people regret financial decisions because they felt pressured or rushed? This process works best for people who value clarity, think long term, or want control and not hype. This is not about perfection. It's about alignment. Doesn't it make sense to move forward only when something actually feels aligned? If this way of thinking resonates and you want to explore whether it fits your situation, the next step is simply a conversation. No obligation, no pressure, just clarity. What's the downside of a conversation designed purely to help you decide? The goal isn't to convince you. The goal is to help you think clearly. So whatever decision you make, it's the right one for you.